Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Today we begin our journey of healing through root chakra, Muladhara. This chakra is your foundation. It connects you to earth, to your sense of safety, to your sense of stability, and to your sense of belonging. As I create this mandala before your eyes, let your mind relax and your body release all the tension. Allow yourself to be simply here in this moment. There is nothing you need to do except breathe and receive the energy. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body resting in your chair or on the floor. Notice the points of contact, your feet on the ground and your body supported by the earth. With each inhale, imagine drawing the energy from the earth into your body. And with each exhale, release any fear, any tension, or any uncertainty. Your roots grow deep, grounding you. You are safe, you are stable, and you are supported. Now, as the first few dots of the mandala appear, bring your awareness fully to the base of your spine. And this base of your spine is the seat of your root chakra, Muladhara. Picture a soft, glowing red light at this center, and the light at this center is glowing, small but radiant. Every inhale, imagine this light growing brighter and warmer. And with every exhale, imagine it spreading slowly through your body, filling your legs, feet, and connecting to the earth beneath you. Now feel the energy of the earth moving upward, anchoring you, stabilizing you. With every breath, you are becoming more solid, more grounded, more connected to life. Now imagine your feet sending tiny, invisible roots deep into the soil, twisting and weaving through layers of earth. These roots grow stronger with every heartbeat of yours, which holds you steady and safe. As I place each dot, each swipe in this dot mandala, visualize the same red light expanding outward, radiating safety, security, and stability. The pattern of this mandala mirrors the stability you are creating within you. Notice how every dot connects to the next, forming a circle of protection, a sacred container that holds you fully. Now take a moment to scan your body from toes to head. Notice any tension, heaviness, or worry. As you breathe out, imagine all of the stress, tension, or worry melting away into the earth, and absorbed and transformed by its nurturing energy. Your body is supported. You do not need to carry the weight of the world. Right here, right now, you're safe. Now bring the attention to the physical body and the sensations, the weight of your feet, the touch of your hands, and the rhythm of your breath. Feel the energy at the base of your spine, which is the root chakra that is awakening, strong and steady. Let it spin gently like a wheel of warm red light, cleansing and balancing. Imagine yourself as a majestic tree rooted deep into the earth. Your branches stretch upward, but your roots remain strong and unwavering. No matter the winds of change, you are steady. With each breath, feel yourself drawing strength, courage, and resilience from the earth, and feel it circulating through the body, revitalizing every cell of yours. Notice the sensations of trust and stability rising from your feet, moving through your legs, your hips, and into your core. Let this energy anchor your emotions, releasing any fear, anxiety, or uncertainty. Imagine that red light pulsing softly with every heartbeat, harmonizing your body, mind, and spirit. As the mandala continue to form, see it as a reflection of your inner stability. Each dot represents a moment of peace, a layer of protection, and connection to the life itself. Let your mind rest on this image. Allow the thoughts to drift like clouds, observing but never hold on to it. You are centered, you are present, you are grounded. Now feel the earth's energy rising to meet you. There is a rhythm between you and the ground beneath you, an exchange of energy. You give tension, fear, and doubt, and the earth gives you stability, nourishment, and strength. Let this flow continue naturally with each inhale and exhale. Each dot of the mandala reinforcing this cycle. Imagine that every worry, every fear, every uncertainty is being transformed into confidence, resilience, and inner peace. Take a few moments now to rest fully in this energy, feeling it saturate into your entire being. I want you to know, as the mandala completes, your root chakra is fully aligned. Your foundation is strong and your connection to earth is unwavering. You are rooted, you are safe, you are whole. Now I'm going to say some affirmations and repeat these affirmations after me, letting them resonate through your body, mind, and soul. Feel their energy harmonizing your root chakra. I am safe, secure, and protected. I repeat, I am safe, secure, and protected. I am grounded, stable, and strong. I am grounded, stable, and strong. I trust the process of life. I trust the process of life. I'm connected to Earth and all that supports me. I'm connected to Earth and all that supports me. I release fear and embrace stability. I release fear and embrace stability. Take one deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the grounding energy of your root chakra carrying you into the rest of your day with calm, stability, and confidence. I would love to know how this meditation made you feel. Please do share your experiences in the comment below, and your words may inspire and heal others too. Thank you for joining in this meditation. See you all in the next video.